Hey, this is Ronald from Math Skills University. And a few months ago, I did a lesson on Microsoft Designer. The two big differences I've seen between my last lesson and this lesson are number one, instead of one input, four outputs, you get one input, one output. And number two, it spells correctly now. And before these freebies go away, you should use this program. It's an AI program in which you can create all type of images, icons, wallpaper, etc., etc. As you can see, avatars, you can do a lot of things. You can also create comic books, you can create your own gift cards or greeting cards, as well as remove backgrounds and do a lot of things that you can do in Canva. But the cool thing about this program is that you get 15 free credits every single month that you can use any way you like. And these photographs are realistic, but you can type in what you wanted to create for you. It's almost like ChatGPT, any other kind of program like Suno where you're asking it to create a song for you or something like that. Just go to designer.microsoft.com. You can sign in through your email. I'm going to log in through here, and I was on here today. I say no to all of that. How this program works is pretty simple. I have several projects. With this program, like anything AI based, it's pretty much garbage in, garbage out. So really think about what you want the program to do. You need to create a logo, or if you want to create images for your social media accounts, things like that, this is where you do it. Look at the wording here. Look at this photograph. So some of these photographs are just unbelievable, but you have to really study how they're writing this out. If you want to do a coloring book for kids, these are things that you can do also as side hustles, and you can create images for people and charge them. But let's go back to some of my projects. The ones I did today was I just converted a bunch of my realistic music through Suno. So I came up with this cover. The more detail you get, the better results you get. Now what I want to do is look at what can I change. Here, I may change this. So we're going to go with image. Here I can change the size. This will be your YouTube. This is your portrait or vertical for TikTok or your shorts. And then here's your square for Instagram. I'm going to go over here because this is going to be on YouTube. Now this one's way more detail. And one side of the photo has cassette tapes, guitar, yada yada. And it's going to say with the lyrics. Then the other side has two photos, one on top, one on the bottom. Somebody singing, and side A lyrical, and then the bottom photo is going to have a photo of water and mountains with the word side B instrumental. Let's have it create. That's pretty complicated. This is what it came up with. SOS demo tape 1995. Here's some lyrics. Here are a few tapes. I want robots. I want robots learning musical instruments on one side. On the other side, robots writing lyrics. And I want them touching fingers, ET kind of way. Let AI write viral music for you. That's how I would do that. So this is our photograph. Let's edit that. And if I want to, I can go over here and remove backgrounds. Let's go over here and click on remove the background. It's going to work on it for a second. And there you go. So the backgrounds are moved just like that. And this works with anything you have. But we can also crop this, move it around. You can do a lot of things. You can change the text and bring in your own text over here. This is free. You can see how that looks. That's how that will look. I can change the font. You can do a lot of things with this. You can do a markup. I showed you a lot of this stuff before. You can blur an image, different kind of filters you can apply. You can apply borders. There's just so many things you can do. So let's get rid of that. I can download that as a ping. You always want to have it as a ping file. I'll have that. I click here and open this with GIMP. I also have lessons on GIMP, and GIMP is also free. It's a graphic design program that competes with Adobe. Press M over here, and there you go, your background's gone. Yeah, let's just see what that does. I only have a few more credits. I don't want to go through every single menu item, but just look, icons, banners, posters, emojis. And it's just so many things you can do. You create with AI, that's here, or I can edit with the AI. So say, for example, you have your own photographs. You can create your own frames for those photographs, create your postcards from here. Here's where I can edit images and do things like this, remove backgrounds, upscale images, and here's your frame images right here. Then you can design from scratch. So for example, if you need productivity templates, you have that. Social media templates, Facebook, Instagram, print posters, paper, photographs, whatever you want, or customize anything you want here. This program is getting more and more impressive by the day, so definitely check it out. You can experiment with this every single month with your 15 credits. You can also sign up for an account. With that said, as you can see, I used some of the thumbnails that I did just yesterday. This one, this one, this one, and this one on my YouTube channel, and these two as well. These are from Microsoft Designer, so is this, so is this. So Microsoft Designer is great to use. You can use it for anything you're doing on YouTube or any other social media channel. So that's the program. If you have any comments, suggestions, or ideas, please leave them below. If you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching and wishing you a great day. Peace.